Hey, what's up guys, it's Enter Urbex here. Today we're going to be checking out this super cool abandoned property set for demolition. Not sure exactly when it would abandon, but I know the house was made around the 1950s and has a super cool shed on the property, as well as this 3-story home. You guys, what is up today? We're here at an abandoned house. I'm not sure exactly when it went abandoned. I'd say around 1950s or so. We have to be very quiet back here because there's people around. This is in a shed over here. It's super dilapidated, so we're not going to be going in there. There's another one up there, which we'll check out later. Here's the house. We're in the house right now. We're in the basement currently. Super creepy down here. It's also very gross. Try to get upstairs as soon as possible. Do not want to be down here too long. Upstairs right now. Very careful. This is the house right here. This house has been abandoned for a little while now. Set for destruction very soon. There's signs all up front talking about a meeting, I'm assuming, to talk about the destruction of this property. It's a shame, it's a very cool house. It's very gutted. Gotta be careful, the flashlights around here. Let's make our way upstairs. The upstairs, very gutted, but also very cool. These must have been the bedrooms here that we're in right now, and this is the bathroom. Making our way downstairs, we're going to check out a couple places in the backyard next. Let's make our way out of the house first. We're outside of the house now. There's people around, so we have to be very quiet. Very quiet. Got a little cool shed back here. Does not look very nice. So we'll be skipping this part. We got a cool shed up here. It's very cool looking. Some very thick grass to get to it. Not the greatest. It's very cool. This is the shed right here. Not much inside. Some little goodies. It's probably just stuff from the house that got torn out. Pretty cool though. Yeah, and that's it guys. This was just a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it.